If you're running a business and looking to get your credit and debt organized, you might be wondering, what are the best apps to help me manage this? Well, stick around, because I'm going to walk you through some game-changing apps that can help you keep track of your business credit and debt, without any of the hidden incentives you might find in other videos. I'm not incentivized by affiliate commissions, so you know this advice is 100% straight to the point. Now, let's dive right in. A common mistake business owners make is treating their business credit like it's their personal credit. If you're doing that, it's time to change things up. For business credit, you need to start with something that separates your personal and business finances effectively. This is where QuickBooks comes in. Sure, you've probably heard of it, but here's why it should be your first stop. QuickBooks helps you track expenses, create invoices, and most importantly, monitor your business credit. By organizing your data and categorizing transactions, QuickBooks can generate reports that give you a crystal clear picture of your financial standing. This is crucial because when you know exactly where your business stands credit-wise, you're in a much better position to make smart decisions. Next up, we have Nav. I want to get this point across right now. Nav is the one app that you absolutely have to have if you want a comprehensive view of your business credit. Nav not only helps you monitor your business credit scores from both major bureaus, but it also gives you personalized recommendations on how to improve them. This is the app that can really be a game changer if you've been struggling with understanding your credit report. What makes Nav stand out is the way it helps you track your debt-to-income ratio, giving you a snapshot of your credit health from multiple perspectives. Whether you have high-interest loans or lines of credit, Nav puts all that info in one spot, so you don't have to juggle multiple spreadsheets or log into a bunch of different accounts. Now, if you're really looking for a specialized tool for managing debt and staying on top of your payments, Tally is an app you should consider. Tally helps you consolidate your credit card debt and stay organized by paying off higher interest cards first. It's designed for people who want to simplify debt repayment while staying on top of their credit health. One of the most important features of Tally is its automated payment system. It's a great tool for anyone who's tired of missing due dates and dealing with late fees. By automatically managing payments for you, Tally helps you stay in control of your credit utilization rate, which is key when it comes to business credit. Another tool worth mentioning is FreshBooks. While FreshBooks isn't exactly a debt management app, it's an essential tool for organizing your business finances. Its easy-to-use interface lets you track your expenses, issue invoices, and even manage project-based costs, helping you avoid the all-too-common mistake of mixing up personal and business expenses. When you're keeping business finances separate from personal ones, FreshBooks can be a huge help. Plus, FreshBooks offers automatic tax reports, so when tax season rolls around, you won't find yourself scrambling to get your books together. If you're looking for something a bit more debt-specific, Debt Payoff Planner is a fantastic option. This app is all about helping you map out your debt repayment strategy. You can input multiple debts, including credit cards, business loans, and lines of credit, and the app creates a clear, step-by-step plan for paying them off. One of the best features of Debt Payoff Planner is its ability to help you visualize your progress. You can watch as the numbers go down, which is not just motivating, but it also keeps you accountable. Trust me, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by debt, this app will make things a whole lot clearer. Before I wrap up, here's something you'll definitely want to know. There's an app called Lendio that can really help if you're in need of financing and want to organize the application process. It doesn't just track your credit, it also matches you with lenders that are more likely to offer you favorable terms based on your business's credit profile. So, not only does it help you manage your debt, but it also helps you find financing options that can accelerate your business growth. All these apps work together to make sure you're organized and in control of your business credit and debt. But here's the thing. A lot of people get caught up in one aspect, whether it's tracking expenses or managing debt, and they forget to keep the big picture in mind. To truly stay on top of your finances, you need tools that work together seamlessly. These apps are all excellent on their own, but when used together, they'll give you a comprehensive view of your business finances. If you found this video helpful and you're tired of content driven by affiliate commissions, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more honest, no-strings-attached advice. Thanks for watching.